rims, still ride flats. Got a bitch in the front and a bitch in the back. I drop the top.
Hello everyone, I am Mark Cyril Kimno, third year criminology, and let me introduce to you the parts and its function. Let's go! Windshields that protects the vehicle occupants and the interior of the car from dust, stone, debris, wind, and other such elements that you encounter on the road. This is headlight to illuminate the roadway and facilitate fatigue-free and safe driving. And this is windshield wiper. It is used to clean the windshield of the car. This is bumper to reduce or prevent physical damage to the front and rear of the vehicle. And this is car grill. Helps to provide air circulation in the engine room. This is roof, protecting the occupant's vehicle from sun, wind, rain, and other external elements. Wing mirror. It helps the driver to see areas behind and to the sides of the vehicle. Guard hood or bonnet. It helps to protect the engine and connected parts. Wheel. To provide the necessary traction to the road surface that the vehicle can move. Compartment. It is used to put anything that you want. Door. It is used for exiting and entering a vehicle. This is fuel tank, used to restore the gasoline in this car. Fog lamp is used to design to enhance the visibility of the road, like bad weather conditions like foggy and rainy. Window is used to admit daylight and to provide view. And this is battery to produce the electricity of this car. This is power steering fluid. It is essential fluid that keeps your vehicle running. This is car engine coolant. It helps to reduce corrosion and engine rust. This is radiator fan, used to regulate engine temperature. This is car engine, machine that burns fuel and converts it into mechanical power. Seat belt, used to ensure the driver's safety and avoid injury. And this is steering wheel, used to control the direction of the wheel. Handbrake, used to ensure the vehicle does not roll away when parked. Accelerator, used to control the speed of the vehicle. Brake, used to decelerate to stop the vehicle. Clutch, used to press in order to change gear. Gear, used for changing rotational speed. Dashcam, used to record footages when driving.